Hello everyone, welcome to Bhumi. Today we are going to learn about how to add node specific container properties file. In general, to set a molecule or atom cloud's container properties differently on a per node basis, we have to create a separate container properties file for the node and set its properties. The values in the node's container property file override any of the values existing in the molecule or atom cloud's container properties that are relevant to the node. Properties that are set in the integration user interface always modify the molecule or atom clouds container properties files and never the node's container property files. Let's see how to do this. Now we will go to the platform. We have a sample molecule where we have a cluster with one node, and in the atom information there is a host name. So the initial step for this activity is we have to go to the installation path. Let me go through the installation path, program files. This is the installation path. Here we have to go to the configuration file. Here we could see the container.properties file. We have to rename this to achieve the node specific container properties file. So instead of renaming this existing file, we will create a copy and paste a new file. We will rename this container property to dot with the host name. So we can fetch the host name here. Let's rename. So this is the property format we have to add as a node specific container property file. So when you add the host name, this property file will be specific to this particular node. So we have to edit this in a text editor. Whichever the file, currently all the properties are in line with the container property file only. So if you want to override, you can change any of the file to true or false and add any of the values here. If you wanted to add any specific property, you can add for this specific node only. Let's say there is a property connector trace logging. So the default value will be false. The format will be true or false. This property is used to troubleshoot the connectors. So let's say I wanted to enable the connector trace logging for a particular node to figure out the issue, what's happening on the particular node. So we will copy this property format, save here. We will give the format as true. Ensure that the format is given as per the article only. Once you're done, you can save this. The property has been saved and you have to restart the node from here. This will apply the changes and this will not affect the existing container properties. Nodes that have separate container property files use the properties that have been modified in their file. Nodes that do not have a separate file continues to use the properties in the molecule or atom clouds container properties file. Hope this information is helpful to you. Thank you.